This tutorial is a basic walkthrough on using and editing templates. I've logged into CPRS, selected a patient, and I've started a brand new progress note. On the bottom left hand corner we'll see a couple different drawers. So we're going to go into the templates drawer. We'll see my templates and shared templates. So go into my templates and we're just going to click, we got two options here. We've got edit templates and create new template. Both will take us to the template editor. So we're going to start out by creating a new template, and so it'll bring up the template editor. So we'll see a couple different areas in here. We've got our area for the shared templates, which are templates that will be shared amongst everyone that uses CPRS. You have personal templates that will be saved just for us. This is going to be the data for the template we're currently working with. At the bottom is going to be the template boilerplate, and that's going to be what comes up when the end user actually uses it to put it into the note. At the bottom here we also see the edit shared templates. These will be logged by default. These are going to be logged unless you click the edit shared templates, and now they're open so that we can come in and we can actually start editing them. We're going to work only with my templates today. So I want to start with the new template that we've created. And we're going to change its title from new to temp template. We're going to leave it as a template type of template. You got a couple different types here. You can keep them organized in a folder, a group template, or then you can use a dialog. Dialogs are what are used over here, where you have actually sub-templates that go underneath them. So once one activated, they'll all fire at the same time, then you can select at that time which ones you want to include in the progress note. So we'll leave this as a simple template, and we'll come down here. This is a sample template, and then we're going to click OK. Then our template drawer is going to update, and it's going to reflect the new template we've just created. When we double click on it, that's going to go ahead and put the sample text that we entered in directly into the note. So now let's look at automatically adding patient information into the template. We'll go back into the temp template, and we're going to edit. Once we're back in the template editor, look under the edit and we'll see an option for inserting patient data. So we will go edit, insert patient data. These are all the fields that are predefined on the server. So down here we can say patient's name, insert object. And you can see that when the object is inserted, it's the field that's defined on the server, enclosed in bars. So at runtime, when you go in and you insert the template into a new note, CPRS automatically knows that anything within bars needs to go out to the server and get that data, whatever it may be. So now when we click OK, we go to the template, we can see that it auto-populated with the patient's name. So now let's look at how we get data back, or information back from the user when they go to insert a template. So we'll go back in, we're going to edit the template. And we're going to ask the user, when they insert the template to a new note, some sort of information. So we're going to go under edit, and we have insert template field. So once we go here, now we're going to click on a sample box. These are predefined, but we'll also go through how to create your own template fields. So we're going to say under edit, insert template field, and I'm going to go ahead and grab this button because I already know what it does. I'm going to insert it. Now we can see that much like the database field that's enclosed in the bars, this is actually the field that we clicked on. It's going to be enclosed in an open bracket FLD : close bracket, and so once the compiler looks at it, it automatically knows that this is something that the user needs to respond to, and then it builds it based upon the template field itself. Once we click OK, double click on tip template, and so now it comes up and it's going to show us what's going to be inserted. And here we have the button that we have inserted in the editor, and it's set to where we can say yes or no with every button clicked. So we'll say no, okay, and then our answer will come into the template. So let's look at how we edit these particular fields. Going back into Edit Template, under Tools, you have an Edit Templates field. If this is not enabled, then the user you're logged in is not part of the class Clinical Coordinator on the server side. So now we'll go to Edit Template Fields, and we can edit a particular one, so we'll look at the one that we've already used. So here we can see, here's the name of it, and then you have multiple types that you can set up. So this one was set up as a button. We've got a default response and then a couple of different items. You can add as many as you want. And for each item, when you click, it'll cycle through and then come back to the top. So we're going to look at making a brand new one. So I'm going to say new. And I'm going to make this one a set of radio buttons. So our items are going to be, and we'll make our default be yes. Now, if you'd like, you can preview what they'll look like here. Then we're going to say OK. And then we'll come down here, remove that, edit, it's insert template field. Here's the template field that we created. We'll say insert field, done. We'll show that in there, so we'll click OK. So it's going to come up, it's going to have the field that we just created. Select our answer, and then it's inserted. I've created one of each of the template fields, so we can see how they'll look like in use. We got the button, set of check boxes, combo box, a date field, an edit field we've predefined with a length of 14, hyperlink, number box that I've set to go anywhere from 2 to 8 by increments of 1, radio buttons, text field, and a word processing field. And I've already inserted them into our temp template. So when I execute it, you can see each of our options here. The button, which will cycle through what we've put in. Our set of check boxes, the combo box, our date field, which will bring up a date selector, edit box that won't allow us to enter the number of characters we predefined, hyperlink, the number field that will go from 2 to 8, radio buttons, the text field, and then the word processing field. Once we click OK, let's see how it inserts all the text here.